Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Lady Khadija radiallahu anha online college. We are doing year 1 A-level maths, pure maths, following the Edexcel UK and international A-level syllabus. We are looking at surds, so let's begin. Okay, first, just some basic principles when we're multiplying surds. So if both numbers have a square root above, so they're both surds or they both have a square root above them, then it's okay to multiply them as we see them. So 3 times 5 is 15, and just remember to put the square root on top. If we're adding, then we can't do that. This is only for times and divide. So root 10 divided by root 2, both have got a square root on top. So that would become 10 divided by 2 is 5, square root of 5. If one of the numbers has a square root but the other one doesn't, then we can't apply that principle. So we have 2, for example, 2 times root 3. The 2 doesn't have a square root, so we can't just combine them like that. The best we can do is, remember, in algebra, we don't write the times sign, so the same thing in surds. We can drop the times sign and just write 2 root 3. Okay, let's see how that helps us in today's example. First example is root 2 expand brackets with root 2 on the outside, and then on the inside of the brackets 5 minus root 3. So just like GCSE, just expanding brackets, we are going to do root 2 times 5 and then followed by root 2 times minus root 3. So let's do the first one. We've got root 2 times 5. Root 2 times 5, only one of them's got a square root, so we can't combine them. The best we can do is write 5 root 2. And then going on, there's a minus, so I might as well put the minus in now. I've got root 2 times root 3. They both have a square root. They're both surds, so I can combine them into one. That would be root 6. So final answer is 5 root 2 minus root 6. Where did the 5 root 2 come from? The root 2 times 5, or 5 times root 2. Why did it not get combined? Because only one of them had a square root. The root 6, where did that come from? Root 2 times root 3. Okay, next one is double brackets. So it's 2 minus root 3 times the second bracket is 5 plus root 3. Okay, you can use any GCSE method to expand the brackets. So I'm going to just use 2 times 5, sticking with the 2, followed by 2 times root 3. So 2 times 5 is 10. Then 2 times root 3. Only one of them's got the square root, so it's just going to be plus 2 root 3. Now for the minus root 3 times the 5, only one has got the square root, so it'd be minus 5 root 3. Minus because one of them is a minus, a negative. And then finally it's minus root 3 times root 3. One of them has got a negative, so let's put the negative in. Root 3 times root 3, they both have square roots, so they can be combined to root 9. Okay, then let's remember what you've learned in a previous lesson. Let's see if we can combine any. Firstly, 9 is a square number, so root 9 can be changed to just 3. Now combine like terms. You've got 10 and the minus 3. That can just become 7. Tick them off. Then in the middle you've got 2 root 3, take away 5 root 3. It's the same 3, same root 3. So just like 2x take away 5x, 2y take away 5y, 2 root 3 take away 5 root 3, would be minus 3 root 3, because 2 take away 5 is minus 3, and root 3 is what we've got 2 times and then minus 5 times. Okay, join me for more surds in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Peace be with you and the mercy and blessings of God.